Stop looking at the Lamborghinis on your feed. Most real millionaires don't want you to know who they are. Wealth isn't about what you spend. It's about what stays invisible. Fact 1. The myth of the flex. The biggest lie about money is that you have to show it. In reality, the person flexing a rented supercar and a luxury watch on social media is often income rich, but asset poor. They are one bad month away from total collapse. Real millionaires, the self-made ones, stay off the radar. They don't post their property or their bank statements. Why? Because they don't need your validation. Most flashy wealth is just daddy's money or high-interest debt. True wealth is silent, and it's private. Fact 2. The money market machine. While an average person lets their savings sit in a standard bank account losing value to inflation, a millionaire treats their cash like a soldier. Every single dollar has a job. They use high-yield money market accounts, certificates of deposit, or automated index funds. They don't just save money. They place it where it generates a monthly yield. It might look like they are doing nothing, but their capital is working 24/7, compounding interest that eventually pays for their lifestyle without them ever touching the principal. Fact 3. The asset versus liability filter. A millionaire filters every purchase through one question. Is this putting money in my pocket or taking it out? They will gladly spend $50,000 on a piece of equipment for their business or a rental property because it's an asset. But they will hesitate to spend the same amount on a luxury item that loses half its value in a year. They aren't cheap. They're just obsessed with buying things that grow. They buy the assets first and then let the assets buy the luxury. Fact 4. Multiple safety nets. You have one job. They have 5 to 7 sources of income. This isn't just about making more. It's about safety. They have interest from banks, dividends from stocks, rental income, and side ventures. If one bridge collapses, they have 6 others to cross. They don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. They build a fortress of multiple income streams that make them untouchable by the economy. Wealth is a game of math, played in the dark. It's the money you don't see, the cars they don't show, and the systems they build while no one is watching. If you want to be rich, stop trying to look rich. Start building the machine. Tell me in the comments, would you rather have $1 million that everyone knows about or 10 million that only you know about? Subscribe for more mechanics of success.